Hello and welcome to another edition of TAM Studio. This is Mark Bernardo, Technical Account Manager based out of Manila. For today's video, we will talk about a minor enhancement in our telephony resource UI, wherein we added a limit button to show the organization current usage of their telephony objects. So let's get started. Administrator can now view telephony resource limit directly in the admin UI. Pick entities in the telephony admin area. With this new enhancement, we have introduced a new button available in the main UI for the following objects: external and phone trunks, site, phone lines and settings, extension assignment, schedule and schedule group, call routes, and emergency groups. This limit will ensure that the customer are protected from any unexpected usage, safeguard them from abusive and unexpected traffic pattern, and promote efficient use of their billable resources. This feature is available for all Genesis license subscription. For more information, you may want to visit our resource center and look for View Telephony Resource Limit article. For additional details, this is actually where we apply the changes. So under admin, go to telephony, then select the object that you wanted to check for the limit. To see how close you are to the upper limit of any entities, just go to the limit button, click on it, then it should show you more information about the number of objects that you have currently set up and the percentage of your usage as well. Additional information, if an entity reach 80 to 89% of the limit, the percentage information will basically yellow. If an object reach 90% or above, the percentage button will be red. Then if an entity reaches or goes above the upper limit, a warning message will basically show in the dialog box. So for demo purposes, let me log in to one of our sandbox. So again, under admin, we just need to go to telephony. Okay, so under telephony, if you wanted to check for your site information, so click on it. Then this is the limit button that we've actually introduced. So click on it, then it should show you more information. So for this one, we only have two sites currently configured, and 1,000 is the maximum number of sites that you can configure as well. So if you wanted to check for your telephony management, so click on it. Then you have the limit button here as well. So click on it. Then you should see the information on the number of objects that you are currently configured versus the number of objects that you are allowed to set up. So for this one, we have 37 phone lines created, and we have 50,000 phone number limits. So this change is actually a simple UI change, but with this update, telephony admin can monitor basically the resource usage and will help them to decide regarding the resource allocation and management. Okay, actually that should be all for me. Thank you for watching. Please comment below or email us through tamstudio@genesis.com if you have any question. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.